How to change Yahoo to Google Chrome. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Chrome browser and say, for example, I wanted to search for something. As you can see, it gives me the result in the Yahoo search engine. So how can you change this? The process is very easy and simple. All what you need to do is just click on the three dots at the top right corner, then click on settings, and once you're here, from the basics section, click on search engine and then set this to Google. By doing this, you have just changed the Google Chrome search engine from Yahoo to Google. So let's go back. Let's open a new tab and search for the same thing. As you can see, now it's giving us the same result but in the Google search engine, which is what you want. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change the Yahoo search engine to Google in the Chrome browser. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.